Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna install a custom ROM that's named Pixel Experience on a Mi 11X. So this is my Mi 11X device. If you wanna install a custom ROM, you must have an unlocked bootloader. If you don't know how to unlock your bootloader, there's a link of a video in the description below. Also, you can just search Google or YouTube on how to unlock the bootloader of the Mi 11X. That's it. Now let's go to a PC. Now you have to download 3 files. The first 2 are the ROM files, as you can see. So just go to pixelexperience.com, downloads, and select the device name. So ours is Mi 11X, code name Alayat. So we have to download these 2 files, build one 1.65 gigs and recovery. The build one already include gaps or Google Apps, so you don't have to download it separately. Next, you want to download the recovery image. After that is done, just go to Google and type in platform tools. Open the first link and download the platform tools for your appropriate operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. This particular platform tools will ensure that you do not have any driver issues. I have seen a lot of videos where people comment the particular command is not recognized by my PC, even though I had installed all the drivers. So this would fix that. After that is downloaded, what you want to do next is go to your downloaded folder. Just unzip it and copy the 2 Pixel Experience files here. That's it. Let's just do that. So I've done that. As you can see, Pixel Experience as well as the Pixel Recovery. Next, what you want to do is boot your phone into Fastboot mode. For that, just power off your device. So let me just power off my device. Power off and power off. That's it. Now what you want to do is hold volume down and power button at the same time until you get a Fastboot logo. So here we have the Fastboot logo. Next, you want to connect your phone to your PC. You can use any cable. I prefer to use the cable that was already provided to me in the box. So here's the cable. I'll connect it to this. After that is done, what you're going to do next is open up command prompt. So if you are on the folder, just enter CMD on the address bar. So CMD. Now to make sure that your phone is connected to your PC, just type in Fastboot and devices. That's it. As you can see, identifier is displayed and Fastboot is displayed. So Fastboot is installed. Now what you want to do next is type here Fastboot flash boot pixel recovery. That's it. Just enter it up and you'll get your recovery. In a few seconds, our device will boot into pixel recovery. If it has not booted, just hold the volume up. Remember, volume up and power button at the same time. So I'll do that right now. Volume up and power button. So our Mi logo appeared, and in a few seconds I believe it will be in the pixel recovery. Anyways, the next thing you want to do is click on factory reset. So if you have important data on your phone, just back it up. Anyways, factory reset, I'll tap on it and tap on format data or factory reset. And another warning, I'll just tap on format data. It's doing some things and it's already done. Let's just go back. Now what you want to do is tap on apply update, apply from ADB. That's it. Coming back to the PC, in the same command prompt, enter ADB, sideload, and the Pixel Experience zip. That's it. So if you just type in PIX and tap on tab, all the files with name PIX would appear. Just toggle them through if you have multiple, and this is the file which we just downloaded, so that's that. Hit enter, and if you can see the phone, it is flashing something. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. If you can see my screen too, the CMD, it says 1%, 2%, so this might take like 5 to 7 minutes. Grab a cup of coffee and we'll be back. As you can see, it's done. What you want to do now is go back and reboot system now. That's it. In a few seconds, Pixel experience will. I'll just allow it. Also, it says welcome to your Pixel. So there are a few great things about this ROM. Apart from the sheer easiness that you get while installing this ROM, you also get free storage for your photos, original resolution photos. So anyways, I'll just quickly set up the phone and we'll just look at the benchmark numbers. So we are booted into the phone. As you can see, it's a complete stock experience and it has all the Android 12 features with themed icons and all. It's not currently themed because it will download something from the Play Store and then it will do it. Anyways, we are here for the benchmark numbers. Let's just go to Geekbench. So there we have the results. Single core score is 781 and the multi-core is 2675. Now if we compare it with the MIUI scores, it says 1081 for single core and 3185 for multi-core. This will improve. I know this will improve because this is just an initial build. Now if you just look at the UI, it's fluid. One thing that you have to do here is just go to settings and display and just go down. So here minimum and maximum refresh rate is set to 60. Just set it to 120 to get full benefits of Pixel experience. And it's like 2 or 3 times more fluid than MIUI. And it looks better than MIUI. Everything. The dialer, messages, Chrome, all the things. You swipe left to get your Google feed. And yeah, that was it. This was pretty easy. This is how you install Pixel Experience ROM on your Mi 11X. This is my first custom ROM installation in a lot of years now because I always stuck to stock because I thought they were the best ROMs. With MIUI, I don't think that. Anyways, if you like the video, hit that like button, share with your friends so that they also know how to install Pixel Experience ROM the easy way. Comment for any queries regarding this, and since you're commenting, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos that I post. That's it for this video. I'll catch you in the next one.